What is commercial conveyancing? If you are buying, selling, or transferring commercial property or a business in Victoria, you will need an experienced conveyancer to provide legal advice and prepare and lodge the relevant transfer and notices on your behalf. How is commercial conveyancing different from residential conveyancing? The transfer of a freehold commercial premises is very similar to a transfer of a residential premises. Where commercial conveyancing differs is that the conveyancer must have particular regard to GST clauses in the contract and have a good understanding of retail leases to ensure that any lease the sale may be subject to was prepared correctly with the appropriate guarantees and disclosure statements. In many cases, a vendor registering or deregistering for GST between the day of sale and settlement can cause purchasers issues, and accordingly, it is essential that an experienced conveyancer's advice be obtained before entering into sale for a commercial premises. What types of properties require commercial conveyancing? Properties that are used to carry on a business and derive an income, such as a retail shop, factory, or warehouse, are generally considered to be commercial properties. However, a mixed-use property, such as a house which has been used as a medical practice or accountant's office, may also be considered commercial, with GST implications that require special consideration. Does commercial conveyancing include sale of business? Sale of business is different to commercial conveyancing, although it can be undertaken by an experienced conveyancer if their license is unrestricted. While commercial conveyancing usually relates to the transfer of the freehold estate and ensuring the leases and GST clauses properly reflect the client's intentions, sale of business relates to the purchase of stock or goodwill and the transfer of a trading name or domain name. What is the difference between a conveyancer and solicitor? Both conveyancers and solicitors have formal qualifications to give legal advice and prepare legal documents in respect of property matters. While a solicitor has a broader knowledge of legal matters, having spent longer time studying other areas of law such as criminal law, tax law, and copyright law, a conveyancer specifically studies property law and generally has a more in-depth knowledge on conveyancing matters, given that they've studied that area of law for longer. How quickly can conveyancing be done? Thanks to the automation and electronic delivery of many certificates and electronic conveyancing, it is possible to complete a settlement the same week that the contracts are executed. However, where a mortgagee is involved, they will usually require a minimum of 14 to 21 days to prepare the discharge of mortgage or mortgage contract, arrange for the purchaser's execution, and verify the return documents before advancing any funds. Preferably, the settlement period should be no less than 28 days, and where a purchaser is obtaining finance and bank valuations will be required, the settlement period should ideally be no less than 45 days. Like this video and want to learn more? Check out our blog at www.conveyex.com.au.